Steps on how to set up GCash account. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. To set up a GCash account, follow these steps. Download the GCash mobile app. GCash is primarily a mobile-based platform, so you'll need to download the GCash app on your smartphone. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices, and you can find it in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Install the app and open it. Once you've downloaded the GCash app, install it on your device. After installation, open the app to begin the registration process. Sign up for an account. On the GCash app's main screen, tap on Register or Create an account to start the registration process. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, including your mobile number and email address. Verify your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to verify your mobile number. Create a 4-digit mobile PIN. Set up a 4-digit mobile personal identification number, PIN, that will be used to secure your GCash account. Make sure to choose a PIN that you can remember but is not easily guessable by others. Provide additional information. To fully activate your GCash account and enjoy its features, you may need to provide additional information such as your full name, birth date, and address. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter the necessary details accurately. Link your mobile wallet. Once your account is set up, you'll need to link a mobile wallet to your GCash account. You have two options. A. Linking your GCash account to your existing mobile wallet with another financial institution. Or, B. Setting up a new mobile wallet within the GCash app. Fund your GCash account. To start using GCash for transactions, you need to fund your account. There are several ways to add money to your GCash wallet, such as bank transfers, remittances, over-the-counter transactions, and cash-in via partner outlets. Choose the method that is most convenient for you and follow the instructions provided. Explore GCash features. Once your GCash account is funded, you can start exploring the various features and services offered by the platform. GCash allows you to send and receive money, pay bills, buy load, shop online, invest, and avail of other financial services. Remember to always secure your GCash account by keeping your PIN confidential and enabling additional security measures such as fingerprint or facial recognition if available on your device. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.